welcome to this training video. In this video, we'll be designing this particular flyer. Yes, how I was able to get the effects, everything. I'm going to show you step by step. But before we continue, if you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, kindly do so. And also, you share and like, yeah, so that this video can reach more people and others will benefit from it. All right, so let's continue. So I'll bring in the background. This is the background. Then, um, for start, let me just bring in the image. Let me bring it in. Okay. So what I did here actually is that first of all I brought in this hour of revival, and I use you. If you notice, you see that the hour of revival is somehow bent. Yeah, I will show you how I was able to achieve that. So of revival. So I think I use this particular font. Hour of revival. But I'll make this. I'll reduce the font of hour of. Reduce the font. Yeah. Reduce the font. Then just watch very closely. I'll be using a particular app called Pixellab to do the bending, the manipulation, whatever we call it. So I think I still have the one I have created. I have created already with Pixellab. I do have the app on my phone currently. So there is it. You can see I bent it. You can see bent it, the upper part and the lower part with Pixellab. You can check all of my videos. I have trainings, a lot of graphic design trainings on how I was able to achieve this with Pixellab. I was able to do this bending of it. Yeah. So I'll just be using this particular one since I've done it already. So just increase the fonts. Sorry, increase the size. Increase the size. Increase the size. So what next? Then bring in let me stay continue with the text. Join us for join us for of revival. So I'm still using this font. Join us for hour of revival. Join us for hour of revival. I think that is what I did. Let me bring in the so I want to cough it. Let's cough it a little. Yeah. Join us for hour of revival. Then what is next? Then I'll bring in the I don't know if you notice I use some art effects on it. So I'll be changing this. I'll be changing using a texture, an art texture. I also let me show you this particular art texture. How I was able to achieve it. How I was able to achieve it. Sorry. I'm coming. Let me reduce the. I don't think I reduced anything. So why is it? Okay, there's it. Yeah, I'm still not satisfied. Okay, I think it's because of this. It's not wide enough. I guess. So now it is now wide. So let us do that again. Okay, I think it is manageable. So let me increase this a little. So what next? Um, Let me teach you how I was able to get this particular effect. So this is the original, the art effect. This is the original image I downloaded from Pinterest. This is the original image. So what did I do? Just very simple. Watch closely. I I erased the red color. Come in. I think this is black, the black color. So I erased the black color. You can see how I was able to do it. I picked the black color and I erased it. You can see. So that's not all. That's not all. Then I went to color filter, then reduce the saturation. You can see, reduce the saturation because I don't want the sharp red color. So I reduce the saturation to give me that vibe I want. You can see it's matching already. So that is how I was able to achieve this. So moving on. I don't need it. So let me return it back. So it's supposed to be. Let me come in. Sorry. Um. So I brought this here. Brought this here. Let me take it to the back. The back. Yeah. So you can see then I reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity. Just trying to give the background some. Come in. Let me let me lock this. I've locked it. So then increase this. Take it. Yeah. So I hope you are following. Then I still added uh this particular. So this is what I did here again. I want the background of this, the back of this hour of revival to be dark, very dark. So I can, you know, I can give it some shadow. Go to shadow, then increase the blur. So it's giving me that black vibe I want now. So you can see black. So hope you get in. Then what else? The um. So there's one other thing I did. So this particular hour of revival, this text. This is what I did. Just watch closely. Watch closely. I'm coming. Let me just do this. No, it won't work. So I went to perspective. Then I make it slant. Just watch. I make it slant. Make this to slant. Just as if it's sleeping on the floor. And that's what I did. So you see. Then I increase it. I bring it down a little. Yeah. So I hope you are following. So it's a very simple design actually. So then we begin to add the date and the rest. So Thursday 18th. Thursday 18th June 2026. And I use this particular font for it. What is the name? The name is Creed. I think I use lights. Creed lights. Yeah. So don't mind the way it's looking. I'm going to correct that now. Then what else? No, it's not. Should I? Let me just still use this. Sorry, read fine. Okay, I think read fine is what I used. So read fine is given. Sorry, I change the color. How do I get the color? Very simple. Just go to, I think the background. Got it from the background. Just pick it. That's an orange color, and I need the lights. What would I do? Just bring it here to get that color on. So that's just it. Graphic design is just about creativity. Just try to be creative. Um, then the time 6 p.m. Change the color to white. I'm using white for this. Increase the font. I've increased the font. I've increased the font. Then the address. Where's the address? Redeem Christian Fellowship Tent. Ecumenical Ground. Unimid. Or is Unimid okay? Yeah. So then change the color to white. It is of the glory. And reduce the font, okay? So I live my voice and worship as a place you. I think let us bring this. Let us bring them down a little. Yeah. I'm trying to arrange it. Alignment matters a lot in design. So this two done. Then what else? Um, the social media handle RCF animate dent. It's an image chapter. Then I'm going to increase, add it, make it bold. Then bring in the icon. I'm going to remove the white background color by picking it out. Good. Then change the color to white. Sorry for that. I'm trying to make it align. So then I'm going to add a black image, a rectangle at the back. Let's exit. Put it back. Good. So what else? Then let me bring in the RCF logo. Let me first of all, this particular art, let me reduce the opacity. Sorry, opacity, reduce it. Well, so RCF logo comes here. Then the name. Then for I want to lay emphasis on image. So just change it to yeah. So what else? Then let me add. I want to add. Still want to add. Looking if I can add a black shadow to the back of this hour of revival. But I think it's okay. So this how I was able to achieve this. Then I also did one more thing to the edges. I added a black shadow to them, all the edges. Yeah. So added a black shadow. So that's black shadow. Can just reduce it to 70. Then just to let me copy it. Just to collect. So I did that. Then the bottom too. Copy. Bottom too. So that's going to the back. So this is how I was able to achieve this particular design. Very simple. Okay, let me a very simple design. Let me bring this down to 82. Yeah. So see you in the next video. And let me also show you how I edit. So I edit all my designs. I don't just leave it like that. So come to Snapseed. So let me try this. Did it make sense? No, no. So we go to ambience, press the ambience to 50. Okay. Then the structure. So you can see very simple design. See you in the next video. Thank you for staying behind.